Attention realtors in Texas. More eyes, more sales. The more people, more real estate agents look at your listings, the more sales and the faster sales you're going to get it. Hi, I'm Nasser Qureshi, a realtor daddy with Texas Signature Realty in Houston, Texas. I am a two times best-selling author, TV host of Selling Big Texas TV show on Unimix. Unimix is a television network that we formed last year for Lone Star Real Estate. Our show, Selling Big Texas, is for the realtors and the public by the real estate agent. In this show, other realtors and we showcase our listings and properties and new construction, homes, neighborhood tours, all for people and public to watch from the comfort of their own homes on their television set. Just go to Roku TV or Fire TV and put in Unimix, and you will see Selling Big Texas season one, episode one, two, three, four, and we are moving forward with on and on and on and on and on. So it's so hard to get on a television show. If you call CNN right now, or if you call NBC right now, or if you call Amazon Fire TV right now and tell them you want to be on their real estate or any TV show, what would they say? Yeah, right, right? And how hard it is to start a television show. How much it costs? It's a lot of effort. We have done all the heavy lifting for you, for us, for the Texas real estate agents community. We build a television network called Unimix, which is dedicated exclusively for the real estate matters in the entire state of Texas. So I'm inviting you to do an open house on my television show. See, generally, the open house that we all do, that we don't know who started 110 years ago, this tradition is actually obsolete tradition. For 2 hours window of time on Saturday or 2 hours on Sunday, we hope we put up the signs and we hope for people to show up, and 2 hours is done. 5 miles from there, your open house, nobody knows and heard of the open house. It's done, is over, hoping. And how much we spend? We spend money, we spend time, we look for hosting agents to do an open house for us. It's hot, we have summer, we have rain, we have thunders, we have weather elements. Then open house means open house. Anyone can walk in and do anything to the real estate agents. I've seen some female real estate agents packing a gun or have their husband on the microphone on a cell phone with them on the phone and on their phone, so nothing can harm them while they're doing the open house. So yeah, if you want to do open house, continue to do that, but I want to invite you to do an open house or showcase your listing in Texas. You can be anywhere in the state of Texas and do and be part of our next episode of Selling Big Texas TV show. It's very simple. All you have to do is make a payment of $29 uh, per listing one time. $29 per listing. Make a payment to go openhousetvshow.com. Make a payment, put your name and phone number, and we're going to send you a link. We're going to send you a dedicated link. All you have to do is just get on your computer, on your desktop, open a browser, preferably Chrome, and have your listing website up and click on the link that we send you. And you have an option to choose the camera on or off and start sharing your screen and talk about your listing while you're going through. It's just like sharing a Zoom screen. If you have done Zoom before, if you have done Google Meet before, if you have done Microsoft Teams before, or any kind of meeting before, you can do this. It's affordable, $29, simple, one click and done. It just makes sense. So what's in it for you on this? Getting more eyes. We have 100 million viewership on Roku TV, 50 million viewership on Fire TV. We market Unimix, our TV network, to 80,000 real estate agents in Houston and Dallas constantly through e-blast, text blast, social media campaigns, Instagram, Facebook. We market Once our episode is launched, we post it to 200 Facebook groups, tens of WhatsApp group exclusively to the real estate agents. We make sure that everyone watches new episode of Selling Big Texas TV show. If you don't have Roku TV or Fire TV at your house, all you gotta do is just go to unimix.tv, UNIMIX.tv, and watch right now a live episode of Selling Big Texas, and you can be there on the next. At the end of the day, it's just $29. What there is for you to lose, just $29. Losing $29, worst come worst, you just lost $29 in 5 minutes of your time. It's not going to change nobody's lifestyle. But you know what? You can claim as seen on TV. You can stand out from 60,000 real estate agents in Houston, 200,000 real estate agents in Dallas, 2 million real estate agents in the United States of America, approximately. You can claim for rest of your life for $29 that you have been on television. What that means to you, more value for your current and future clients, that you can propose, or give them a better proposition, another proposition to be on the, that you're going to put their house or their listing on the television for many thousands and hundreds and millions of people to watch, right? So there are so many. My questions to you is this. There are 60,000 real estate agents in Houston, 200,000 real estate agents in the entire state of Texas. Why people should hire you? What are you doing different? This could be something that you can be doing different than other real estate agents. As a real estate agents, all of us, including myself, we're looking for that one hot secret, one thing, one little thing, one little special key ingredient that take off our business. Brokerages and my dear real estate agents in state of Texas, this could be it. At the end of the day, we all as real estate agents, we owe the best representation to our clients, to our sellers, to our buyers. And if you are a listing agent, this could be also a great value that you can provide to your sellers, to your listing clients. So click on openhousetvshow.com, openhousetvshow.com, make an order right now for $29 plus tax, and you're going to get an email from us and a call from us, and you'll get a link, and at the comfort of your own home from your computer screen at any time you want, with a camera on or off, click, record, share your screen, and you're done, and we'll do the rest. Thank you so much, and remember, of course, time is money, but the real estate is both. See you at the top. I'm Nasser Qureshi, a realtor daddy, TV host, best-selling author, and a full-time real estate agent, residential commercial, team lead of Dream Team. I'll welcome you to the next episode of Selling Big Texas. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless.